Me say, I don't know this. First time here, tech rider. Anyway. Now the last thing, wait for your EPK inside be what do they call testimonials or endorsements from industry professionals. So maybe the president mention your name for somewhere, and you have that information, whether it be written or like some fans or some people, they talk about you and how they love your album, like short videos like that, or if they write time safe. If you check some artists their page, like people they talk to, they love this artist, they love your music. Those be like testimonials. You didn't need all those things. You understand? You like they do street academia and people they fit inbox me and be like, yo bro, thanks for doing this and stuff like that. If I screenshot them, I keep and that's my testimonial. It shows people they really appreciate what we do. You understand? So your testimonials to be very important. And like I talk, anything where it will give your credibility some more light, make it shine brighter, be very important. All of them, they enhance the artist in profile. So you for make sure you have them. So this electronic press kit, be something where it be static, where like if it there, that be all. You for the update time, it be something where you for the update time. And so somebody for day on the artist in team, or if it be you yourself, you for be something you for the update time every time. If you cut pictures, the pictures be like 6 months old. If you cut pictures, where the pictures be 6 months old. If you know say you must update the pictures, and if your biography, really update them in such a long time. If new things happen to your career, where be positive way, it be needed, say you go add to them, if you do. So electronic press kits or EPKs, they stay static, they constant. So big up one.